Okay, so I'm sitting here in the middle of my living room floor, and this is my scene out the window. And it looks a lot more menacing in person than it does on the screen. Somehow it's oddly comforting to be doing this right now since I'm here by myself. It is constant lightning. Just, you can tell. I feel like I'm a little shaky here. And the thunder is so strange. I've never heard. It just sounds like pans hitting or something. Sometimes it sounds normal like that. I hope I can catch some of the other on here. It's absolutely constant. And some of it's not showing up, but when it's really bright, it's showing up and you can see. Anyway, this is what I'm looking at right now. I was going to bed and I don't feel like I can now. Obviously. I wish you could see that it's completely constant. Like right now, where you can't see things, it's still doing something. It's just not bright enough that this is catching it. And when it is catching it, it's tremendously bright. It will light up the whole room. Anyway, just wanted to get it on here and show that it was really happening. There's not a thunderstorm warning or anything out for us right now. That light you see going across there is a vehicle. And this takes a minute to focus, so sometimes it looks pretty blurry, but anyway, there it is.